blueberries. No. Just put it. Lydia, mommy's cooking your eggies. I know, you're coming in.
All right, well, I'm gonna go to work. Bye, ladies. Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye, Daddy. What you crying about? Lydia, lấy cái pop bên nó. Hãy lên pop với mommy á. Okay, so for breakfast, I normally just eat eggs. Oh, here comes Lydia. I can't ever get myself to fit in the camera properly. So I kind of have to like bend over, but that's like not good for my back, especially with how big my belly is right now. Okay, so I normally just eat eggs and then some fruit. So Lydia's eggs, I made 3 so she can share with me. She's already had a cutie, those little orange cuties, and a handful of blueberries, but she still wants more food. So I'm gonna give her eggs, and the only way I can get her to eat her eggs, oh, hugs, thank you, is to put some hot sauce on her eggs. Like, I'm not even joking. She literally will not eat her eggs unless there's hot sauce on them. You want your tan? This one's like a tan. Okay, tan it dyan. Lydia, you have to blow your eggs. You're looking at the camera. Too bad you can't be on camera. Okay, on my lagay tan. On my lagay tan. Yeah, tan. Say tan. Yeah, good job. Okay, here. Make sure to blow them. They're hot. Yeah, they're hot. Blow them. And then here's 1 watermelon. 2. We are literally obsessed with watermelon. I have been eating watermelon pretty much every day for 14 months now. Almost 15, because she's about to be 15 months. So since she's been born, I've been eating watermelon basically every single day. It's like, if I even go like a couple days without a watermelon, I start like I need it. Yeah, it's crazy. So I have my eggs and my watermelon, and that is going to be my breakfast. I feel like recording from like this underneath angle is just not flattering, but I literally can't get myself in the camera frame unless I'm like super far away. But I forgot to mention my green juice, so I'm gonna drink this as well. So I've had the eggs with cheese, watermelon, and then I'm gonna have my green juice. This has cucumber, celery, apple, and lemon and spinach in it. Okay, let mommy chug this first. Oh my gosh, bad idea. She's gonna step in it. She's gonna try to step in it. You want some? Do you want some? Okay, hold on. No more? No more? Okay, no more. Let mommy drink it then. What are you doing? So it's been about 2 hours since I've last eaten breakfast. We just got back from our walk, so I am going to take my blood sugar to see how breakfast affected my blood sugar. I just like use different fingers throughout the day, so now I'm doing my middle finger, and then I always wipe off the first drop of blood just in case, like, I guess if I have lotion on my hands, but I always wash my hands before anyway. Okay, so let's see how this morning's breakfast. Okay, so my blood sugar is at 80. So for your fasting blood sugar, it's supposed to be under 95 in the morning. And then my doctor wanted mine to stay under 90 though, so it has been staying under 90. And then 2 hours after you eat, it should be under 120, and mine was 80 right now. So breakfast was good, even though I ate a bunch of fruit and had that green juice, it didn't really affect my blood sugar, which is great. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare lunch. So I'm gonna make my husband some chicken nuggets. These chicken nuggets from Costco are honestly the best thing ever. So So I have not eaten these and tested my blood sugar with it. So I'm actually going to put a couple in for me to see how it's going to affect my blood sugar because these are so good. And I'm guessing if I don't eat too much, then it should be fine. And I'm gonna give myself 5. So we're gonna put it on 350 for 15 minutes since I didn't heat up the air fryer. I'm gonna prepare my lunch now. I literally feel like Emily, the salmon girl. I know y'all know who I'm talking about because I have to bend over to like fit everything on the screen. Okay, so I still have some leftover kimchi from Costco. This stuff is so, ow, Lydia, you're gonna break my toe off. Okay, so this stuff is from Costco and it's so good. So I'm just going to finish this. I'm just eating leftovers because I cooked this yesterday. So I'm just gonna put my kimchi in this little bowl. And then for my main dish, hi, I see you. Hold on, that's done. And then for my main dish, I'm just gonna get some brown rice that I have over here. Not up yet, hold on, mommy's doing something. So I'm just gonna get like this little because I don't want the rice to spike my blood sugar. And then I have some leftover tilapia that I'm gonna eat. I just put garlic powder, onion powder, some paprika, and that's it. And then I stuck it in the air fryer for 350 for like 8 minutes. And then the chicken nuggets are almost ready, so I'm gonna eat a couple of those. And then to dip my salmon and my rice in, I have this. This is loplam, and I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but it's basically fish sauce, and it's so good. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of that, and then I'm gonna get some of this. This is the chili garlic sauce. I love this in my loplam. What's she doing over there? That's basically gonna be my lunch. I normally have this tilapia with like lettuce, and then I'll wrap it in the lettuce, dip it in the loplam, but we forgot to buy lettuce yesterday at Kroger, which is why I'm eating it with a little bit more rice than normal. So yeah, I'm so excited for my meal. Did my chopstick break? I think my chopstick broke. What? Okay, so I'm like 20 minutes late and taking my blood sugar because I took a nap and didn't wake up in time. So let's do it anyway because I don't think a 20-minute difference is that big of a deal anyway. So let's see how lunch, oh bye Lydia, has affected my blood sugar. Let's see. Oh, 101. So, not bad at all. We're gonna make tacos tonight. So my husband is going to be doing the cooking. He also added some onion in there. We are going to put 2 packets of this taco seasoning. We like the hot and spicy mix. We have 2 pounds of beef over there. And then my husband is going to eat with these taco shells. I can't eat with these taco shells because they have too many carbs in them. And I don't want to spike my blood sugar. It says total carbs are 19. So you minus the dietary fiber. So there's 17 carbs in 2 shells. So instead, I am going to use the carb balance. I've never tried the sun-dried tomato basil, so I'm really excited because this looks really good. But this one has a total carb of 17 grams, but there's 12 grams of dietary fiber. So each tortilla shell is only 5 grams of carbs. And this is so much more filling compared to one of these. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. Let me prepare my tacos. So I have 1 wrap, and I'm gonna put some cheese. This is the best cheese ever. Like, I love how thick the cut is, and Lydia loves it too. And then I'm gonna stick it in the microwave for like 20 seconds to melt it. He just added a little bit of water in it and put the 2 packets of the seasoning, and that's what it looks like. So yum yums. Okay, I'm gonna put my meat in. I normally put lettuce on here as well, but we forgot to go get some lettuce. So I'm literally just eating meat and cheese in this thing. I'm also gonna put some sour cream on my taco. I also love adding hot sauce in our food, so I'm gonna use this one. This one's really good. It's kind of has like a little sweet taste to it, but other than that, I don't really know how to explain it. It's been 2 hours since I've eaten, so it's time to test my blood sugar. And I just finished washing my hands. I also just made some keto banana bread back there, so I'm really excited that I'm able to eat it. Okay, so I'm poking my ring finger now. I'm getting rid of the first drop of blood. Okay, let's see. What's it say? Oh, 107. Yay! So it's under 120. I did end up eating one of the Taki shells, so I'm really glad that it didn't put my blood sugar over 120 because I would have been really sad about that. I put some low carb tortilla wraps in here and cut them in little squares, or those are triangles actually. And then I am going to dip it in this dip, which is the best thing in the whole entire world. And that's gonna be my snack for tonight. I am officially big enough as to where I can use my belly as a table, and it just holds this plate perfectly. It's been 2 hours since I've last eaten my snack. I can't believe I'm actually still awake right now because I'm so tired, but I'm gonna go ahead and check my blood sugar to see how the snack affected my blood sugar. Pop it on. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, so that's good. So I had like 1.5 of the tortillas, and then I had the spinach dip and a little bit of banana bread, and it's only 109, so anything under 120 is great. So yeah, that was everything I've eaten today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye!